Guys, I'm going to share with you how to launch a campaign in Google Shopping. Okay, so it would be a quick video, very simple and uh, you know direct. Okay, so let's go. First of all, you need to go to Google Ads campaign, click on the button here, new campaign, sell sell objective, uh, tag, sale tag. You click on shopping. Here you need to put your merchant center Google account. Okay, you click on shopping standard, continue. You put the name of your campaign, like shopping. You click on manual CPC. You uncheck this case. You set your budget like 30 euro. You need to put the priority at middle or high, like that, middle. You uncheck this. You put your location like this, like United States, and you need to click on presence and not presence or interest, because here there will be like a person, a French person who likes United States will be here, UK. So there are French people and other people uh, in the United States targeting. Okay, so you need to uncheck this and check this. Okay, you need to name your announce group like shopping, and your manual CPC bid. So I advise you 20 to 30 cents and create. And that's it, bro. Okay. If you want to optimize your CPC on all your product, you just have to click on the plus here, add all your product, continue, and now you can modify all your CPC one by one. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and keep the hard work, man.